Congratulations, you've decided to go solar and you've chosen us, EnLight Energy, to help guide you through the process. We're excited to be a part of your transition to clean energy, and we hope you're excited too. You're probably wondering what happens next. Over the course of the next few days, we're actually going to send a surveyor out to your home. He's going to get on your roof, check your electrical work, and send everything to the engineers to finalize your design for your solar system. Once you approve the design, we'll apply for a permit with your local building department. And as soon as that permit's approved, we'll schedule install for your home. The installation process takes about 1 to 2 days. If you have a battery, 3 to 4 days. All of this, once complete, requires a final inspection by the building department and your utility provider. After the inspections are complete and your system's approved by the electric company, they're gonna send someone out to your house and swap the meter outside and perform a net meter swap. And once that's complete, we'll receive a letter stating you have PTO, or permission to operate. Once we receive that, EnLight will be getting in contact with you, helping you turn your system on, making sure everything's functioning properly, and a sales rep will be getting in contact with you to go over the next steps. Now your system's on and you're a part of the EnLight Energy family. Go ahead and click the link below and download our EnLight Energy app, where you get to track your system progress, communicate with us, and be a part of our referral program, where you get rewarded for referring your friends and family by helping them become energy independent.